Good morning everyone. I am doing my voiceover this morning out under my pergola with the birds singing in the background, so I thought that would be really nice and relaxing. I know I've done this type of painting before and it isn't what I started out to do, but I thought I'd share it anyway. I'm calling it layered lifting because after doing the background I actually lift some patterns out and then put another wash over the top. So when I lift the second layer, it comes through with the colours from the original background, which looks really effective. As you can see with the first layer, it only either shows white or a lighter shade of the background colour. It's funny how we start off doing things and we've got a plan in our mind and then we just end up with something completely different. It adds a bit of interest to our lives, I guess. Here I'm just shading some of the leaves and background to make them pop out a little bit more. Later on I will use pen and ink to define the petals and so forth. I decided to paint some leaves over the top of the original lifting, and then I added another wash. So this is where the layered lifting comes in. You can see that the original background colour comes through rather than the white. And here I'm using semi-permanent ink in my fountain pen so that I can smudge the edges of it afterwards, and it adds shading and takes away the harsh lines. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that it's another one of my flower paintings, but I actually really like it, so I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.